Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a compound clip in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, I have already imported these 4 videos, which we are going to use in this tutorial. Now let's add these videos one by one to the timeline. After that, let's adjust the duration of the videos, so every video starts at a different time. Once it's done, select all the videos like I'm doing or press Ctrl A. Then right-click, now select Create Compound Clip. Here we go, now you have a new compound clip that you have just created. Let's play the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's
But if you want to change something in any clip, just click here on Undo to remove this compound clip. Now you can make any change. That's how you can create a compound clip in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Also, if you want to know how to zoom in and out on Capcut PC, then watch this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.